Punjab, which is considered as the bread basket for the entirety of Pakistan, and the same Punjab which contributes in the wheat production of Pakistan for up to 20 to 25 million metric tons, or the 75 to 80% of wheat, not only to the entirety of Pakistan, but it also exports to other countries. Punjab also compensates for the lack of wheat production for the other provinces, as Sindh is only able to produce the rabi crops or the wheat crops up to 15% for the entirety of Pakistan, whereas KPK only contributes for 7% of the wheat production, and ultimately Balochistan with a minimalistic 3% production. Here comes a challenge as of April 2026, where huge hailstorms and an intense amount of rain has ravaged and devastated a lot of rabi crops, more particularly wheat, and has caused enormous losses to the poor farmers. But the question arises that are these rains, which were unforeseen and unpredictable as of the initial days of April 2026, are these again the adverse effects of climate change? The same climate change for which Pakistan is the most vulnerable as a developing country, and the same climate change which is actually now considered as the serious and real problem, and is also incorporated in one of the sustainable development programs or the goals in the United Nations. These wheat crops would have been ready or would have been tried to harvest, because within 2 weeks, as of end of April or in the starting days of May, the relevant authorities and the agricultural departments of Punjab had gauged that there are low chances that Punjab this time will be able to produce same 20 to 25 million metric tons that it always produces every year on average. Last but not the least, the ultimate consequence that these ravaging and obliterating rainfall and hailstorms have come up with, that they also adversely affected the mango trees, the mango crops in the southern Punjab, and had also led to load shedding up to 24 to 48 hours even in some parts of Lahore and mainly in South Punjab. So here's a question for you. What do you think could be the measures, or what do you think could be the non-applicable or yet non-applicable measures that should be taken by the government of Punjab more particularly, so to curb or so to control the climate change that oftenly comes and hit the Pakistan and hit more particularly Punjab at the most vulnerable and weak areas, and then causes enormous disruption and enormous disturbance for the people of Pakistan as far as the basic level of sustenance, that is the wheat, is concerned.